Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can change your name in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. First off, once you open up your Pokemon TCG app, you will need to click on your profile icon right here. From here you can see your name, your profile icon, your emblems and other stuff related to your profile. So to change your name you need to click on this little pen icon right here next to your current name. But in my case I changed my name recently, so I can't change it for another 30 days. And if that's the case with you, you will see also the date on which you can change your name. On 11th of November, and I will be able to change my name again on 11th of December. So once that date arrives, I would just need to click on the pen icon again and input my new name. After that, a new window will load asking you for the confirmation, so you just need to press confirm and change your name. So that's how you can change your name in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.